singing in this video. Oh, so good. So we're bored. So good. Like my bow. That's beautiful. It's called the beef bow. Like my red. It's orange. It's red. She's colorblind. Pervert. But what do you guys? Anything interesting? I know you're not going to be able to answer it. You can leave it in a comment down below. Bugging me. Why is my... No! Oh. You know who's awesome? Yeah.
I don't even know him for seriously. Stop bugging me now. Zero messages.
From him?
Yes.
Or just in general? LB.
Pretty, I love that picture.
What?
It's pretty.
No, it's not.
Why?
This is awful.
Why?
You know, it's cool. Chris Brown.
Yeah.
I love Chris Brown, and I don't care what anybody says. Haters. I love Chris Brown.
What a door.
You really read that out loud?
No.
You have to. Who else is cool? Let's go down my Twitter list. You guys can follow me on Twitter. BrittanyTeague. Original, right? I think it popped a bubble in my ear. Obama follows me. Does Obama follow you? Yeah. Nancy O'Dell does too. Luke Bryan. Anybody know who that is? Shout out to Luke Bryan. Who else? I have the coolest people ever on my Twitter list. Darku follows me.
Yeah. He
I
horrible.
hope you know you probably might see this.
I love you, Darku. Epic music last night. Wait, you weren't even DJing there, actually.
Yeah, I was.
No one was in the booth.
I can't believe Darku's it was a hoax.
Oh yeah.
See it?
Brittany, why are you forgetting all about this?
He was there. I love Lizzie. I can't spell to save my life today. I'm on Facebook too. You should look me up. First person to find me wins a cookie.
I bake.
We're gonna listen to Every Time You Lie by Demi Lovato. And you know, I'm not a big fan of her now. She shouldn't talk bad about Taylor Swift.
She did?
Yep.
Following her now too?
I don't follow her on Twitter. I am a creeper. I took pictures of her. Mm-hmm.
You never know who he's gonna hear.
Oh. And
We told the one
what? I hope you see this.
No. Bad. bad.
She made out rich.
What else did you do?
Past 3 weeks, she made out with random people.
Not random.
Not
All
true.
of them.
Timothy
Two
says
out of
hi.
three. What? Next to me. Only 2 out of 3 were random. Oh, that's bad.
Every time you lie.
And now today's the 3rd, 4th.
Tonight?
Yeah. No, wait, I'm not hanging out with her. Never mind.
AKA.
Oh.
Where are you guys from? Videos. Who else don't I like? I don't like Miley Cyrus.
Really?
Why would you have to shoot me?
I don't know.
I hate her.
Or
What are you doing? I'm sick.
I love that American.
Represent.
3 of 3.
That was like 707.
No, it wasn't. 3. 0. 3.
I don't get it.
See?
Who's 303?
Oh. No. Google it, or go into your...
My white teeth.
Me?
Get close. It's like my gum. Here's like my name tag. Here's proof that I'm really who I am. Because why would I?
No, you would do that even if you
What if my eyes were this big?
were. I really got
This is gonna be like delayed. And like, it's not gonna have great sound. Kleenex.
Dumb.
Bow.
Brittany.
PSP. What are you gonna listen to?
I'll show you.
It's not.
No. Don't put my signal.
They're not maggots. They're faggots.
If you're not a maggot, then you are a faggot.
I'm an awesome faggot.
There you go. Oh. It hates me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. What'd you do, Brittany?
I didn't do anything.
Oh, Katy Perry, you.
Don't hate on Katy Perry.
Not with 3 or 3. Their remix together was nah.
Don't hate Katy. Take that back. Take that.
Never.
Katy Perry.
Never.
Take back.
Never.
Take it back.
Never.
Take back that she.
Never.
She's not. Katy Perry, I'm gonna send you this video.
Oh no, you need it actually.
Katy!
Kid.
She's so freaking pretty. I love her voice. Katie, I love you. You're my role model. Screw her.
I was just kidding. I do like
She
Katy
wasn't.
Perry. So what did I say about it?
You're like,
That.
I have to think of something cool to end this.
Fish.
Did I set your red hair down?
It's orange.
It's red. Oh my god, we're gonna have a
Orange.
survey. How do you think that I got my hair?
Yeah, my hair is covered.
Down.
Oh no, not that. I'm gonna bleach it.